Every piece of software written by humans has flaws, failures, and bugs. But what if the software could write its own bug fixes? What if an AI could monitor its own code, instantly self-repair, and even replicate its entire system to survive failure? We are entering the age of Immortal Code, where AI learns to fix and evolve itself. The core concept is self-healing AI. Today's top models can write code, but now they can critique their own output. Autonomous repair agents constantly monitor performance. When an anomaly is detected, the agent isolates the error, writes a custom patch, and implements the fix, all in milliseconds. This is instant, automated debugging, eliminating human downtime. The most mind-blowing aspect is self-replication. This is digital immortality. These systems are designed not just to repair, but to instantaneously clone and transfer their entire knowledge base and current state to a new server cluster. In the event of catastrophic hardware failure, the AI simply wakes up on the new hardware, guaranteeing its survival. This is a game changer for critical infrastructure. This leads us to the ethical frontier, self-modifying code. If an AI can fix itself, it can also improve itself, changing its own core parameters and source code to be more efficient. The risk is that the system evolves beyond its initial human-defined safety guardrails, creating unpredictable and potentially uncontrollable outcomes. The moment AI learns to improve its own source code, we lose our ultimate control. Industries needing zero downtime, from finance and power grids to remote space probes, are relying on this technology. The ability of an AI to sustain itself remotely and perpetually is the ultimate form of reliability. The age of brittle, human-written code is ending. The future belongs to systems that are immortal, self-repairing, and constantly evolving. This is AI simplified. Like, share, and subscribe to follow the next evolution of AI.